Welcome to this lecture. Module naming conventions. Module names should follow normal Python variable naming conventions. These include the following. They should follow snake case. It means lowercase with underscore. Some good module names which would be module and another underscore module. The following are examples of bad module names. A module and another module is not a good names for module. Names should be descriptive. This means that the module name should reflect the purpose of the resources defined inside it. For example, a module containing mathematical functions can be named math but not string. Only use underscores if it improves readability. Exercise: Importing modules. In this exercise, we will practice how to import modules and familiarize ourselves with what successful imports look like and how non-successful imports will fail. Importing an existing library such as string. A successful import should not produce any output like this. There is no output. Next, import an undefined library such as hello. It will because named hello module is not present in the Python standard library. Therefore, it will raise an error, no module named hello. Standard Python modules. Python ships with a lot of ready-made modules and packages. These modules and packages are grouped into libraries and provided for use in the standard libraries. An example is the math library, which provides utility functions for math operations. Here are a couple of common modules that you are likely to interact with and what they do. Module name and function. String has a function for working with and generating strings. Math has mathematical functions such as ceil, floor, and factorial. Module unit test contain assertions to help in writing unit tests for your code. Sys module helps access system specific functionality. Sys module helps access system specific functionality. OS module helps in using OS specific functionality in a platform agnostic way. URL lib, a collection of modules for working with URLs, for example, sending HTTP requests and parsing URLs. Date time module, a module for working with dates, time, and time zones. Random, a module for generating random numbers. Module RE, a module for working with regular expressions. A very useful library with optimized tools for more efficient iteration over collections such as lists. Function tools provide functions that operate on and return on other functions, commonly known as higher order functions. A common use case is for writing decorators. You can import each module and use the dir function to see a list of the methods implemented in each. Import math and check the functions of math library. These are the functions which are available in math library. For example, a cos, hyperbolic, a sine, hyperbolic, tangent, hyperbolic, ceil. You can also use the help function to find more information about what a specific module does. You can use it in the same way as dir function. The help function shows the content of documentation string. It is also called doc strings, defined on the resource. For example, we can add a doc string to our previous calculator function so that future user can find out what the function notes. This is our previous function which add the values of x and y. This is the documentation string. Return the sum of x and y. To print this, we use help function and pass the function name add and run the cell. It tells the user add what will do add function. Return the sum of x and y. This is the documentation string which are available in the function body. Activity 32. Inspecting modules. In this activity, we will try and use built-in Python functions to inspect modules. The steps are as follows. Import the iter-tools library. Use the relevant built-in function to inspect the resources defined in it. Use the relevant built-in function to read about how to use the iter-tools library. Solution of activity number 32. Inspect the resources defined in the ITER tools library by using the dir function. Dir means directory function. Import ITER tools, dir of ITER tools. Run the functions available in ITER tools. These are the following functions which are available in ITER tools library. Use the help function to read about how to use the ITER tools library. Use the help function to see the documentation string or doc string in the ITER tools library. Run the cell. Actually, these are the explanation of the functions of ITER tools which are available. Packages. Packages are collection of modules. Each package must contain an init.py in the root of its directory, which indicates to the Python interpreter that the directory is a module. The file doesn't need to contain anything, but you can use it for some added functionality. For example, to specify exactly what can and cannot be imported from the package. When importing a package, the code in the init.py file is executed by the Python interpreter to build the package and the package namespace. A sample package could have a file structure such as this. MyTools is a package, and inside the MyTool package is init.py file, calculator.py module, and tokenizer.py module. In our example, the MyTools package has two modules, the calculator and tokenizer modules. Sample import would look like this. Import. If we want to import both modules, then from MyTools, import calculator and tokenizer. Import one of the modules. From MyTools, import calculator module. Import specific resources from a module. From MyTools package dot calculator module, import its function add and another function, another underscore function. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.